Want to maximize deductions and see your true profit? Tracking every business expense in QuickBooks Online is the foundation of smart bookkeeping. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You have two main paths. First, if you've connected your bank account, expenses will flow into the Banking tab for you to review and categorize. Just click on a transaction, select the correct payee and expense account. Second, you can enter expenses manually. Go to plus New Expense. Enter the vendor, payment method, and most importantly, the correct category, like office supplies or advertising. My crucial pro tip? Snap a photo of the receipt and attach it. When you record an expense, whether from the bank feed or manually, always use the Attach Receipt button. This creates a perfect audit trail and makes tax time a breeze. Never lose a receipt or miss a deduction again. Do you track expenses daily, weekly, or when you do your books? For more foundational bookkeeping guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.